Hi guys! Good evening everyone! It's my dinner time! If you're new in my channel, please like and subscribe me guys. Thank you for the help. Well, I eat the chicken liver that I cooked this afternoon. Okay, let's eat guys for our dinner. In the Philippines, it's dinner here. Probably in other countries, breakfast, afternoon there, I don't know. Anyway, let's eat. So, here's the heart of the chicken. I will eat it now. Hmm. Yummy. I bought this chicken for only 80 peso, one half. I don't know how much it cost in other countries. 80 peso. For only 80 peso, one half kilo. Well, I'm done guys, and I cannot finish all the rice. Probably I'll put it back there because I cannot finish the rice that I put in my plate. I eat less. I thought I can finish the rice that I put in my plate, but I cannot finish it, so I need to put it back there and can eat. My son can eat this when he will eat later. Because he's still outside playing, so he can eat the rice that I have in my plate. Well, thank you for being there for me while I'm eating. Thank you for subscribing me guys, and please subscribe if you are not yet on my channel. Please like and subscribe me guys. Thank you very much.